Hello, in today's video I will talk about how to make simple preloader CSS. Right hand side my web view and left hand side my VS editor. Okay, let's start. First open HTML tag and close. After HTML we start head. After head we write title tag. Title is simple preloader CSS. After title tag we start style. Okay, and head. After head we write body tag start and end. Div class equal to loader. Save. Go to style and write style code here. Dot loader class border 8 pixel solid has F3 and F3. After border top 8 pixel solid has 3498 dB. After border top write border radius 50%, width 50 pixel and height 50 pixel. Animation spin 1 second linear infinite. After animation write a margin 20 pixel auto. After loader class we write keyframe sprint. Keyframe sprint. This animation spin right here. Keyframe 0% transform. Rotate 0 degree. 100% transform. Rotate 360 degree. Save. Go to browser and reload. This way you can make simple preloader CSS for your website. Thank you.